Is my Dado set illegal? Find out now. Welcome to Workshop Essentials. I've just been watching a YouTube video about the saw stop, and it was very nicely produced video, some excellent high-speed photography of the activation of the braking mechanism. And the video that I'm making now is not about knocking the saw stop. I think it's a fantastic machine. If somebody offered me one for my workshop, I'd bite the hands off. It's probably not the best metaphor to use in terms of table saws, but I think it's an excellent machine. But I would have it, not because of the flesh sensing technology, I would have it because, as far as I can see, it's an extremely well designed and built machine. But in this particular film, the gentleman who was presenting it got to the stage where he was talking about dado sets. And he said, and dado sets like this are illegal in Europe. Oh, it does make my blood boil. Dado sets are not illegal in Europe and the UK. They're not. It's a myth. Okay, they follow exactly the same rules as any other blade. This is what the actual regulations, the legislation, does say about dado sets. That's it. Nothing whatsoever. Dado sets are not mentioned in any of the legislation that I can find. Now, if you find something that I've missed, please let me know. There are regulations about what you can do with a table saw and how it must be used. And I think this myth has originated because of the side effects of using a dado set. Now, in the UK and in Europe, there are rules about how long it takes a blade to stop. So if you've got a blade, a simple blade like this, when you stop the saw, when you kill the power, the blade has got to stop within 10 seconds. That's what the regulations say. And modern saws are braked to ensure that that happens. Now, this blade will stop well within the 10 seconds. On most saws, they're not as big as this. They haven't got as big a motor. They've not got as big a... They're simply not as big. Most hobby consumer table saws aren't as big as this. And the Dado Stack is considerably heavier. Look at the weight of this Dado Stack compared with a regular blade. And because it's that much heavier, it's got more inertia, and therefore it takes longer to stop. Now, it might be nearly 4 or 5 times as heavy as a single blade, but it doesn't take 4 or 5 times as long to stop because the weight of the blade is a small percentage of the total rotating mass. Most of it is the motor. It's a big industrial motor inside this. This is built like, it might be old-fashioned, but this machine is built like a tank. So increasing the weight of the blade does not have a huge impact on the braking time. It's still well within 10 seconds. So using a dado set on this machine is not going to break that regulation. The other regulation that's relevant here is to do with guarding. And this is where using a dado set may well be in breach of the regulations. It's not the fact that you're using a dado set, it will be the fact that you're using a blade unguarded. On most saws in Europe, the crown guard is attached to the riving knife. And of course, when you use a dado set, you have to remove the riving knife. Otherwise, when you go over the dado set, you hit the riving knife and you can't go any further. So you have to remove the riving knife. And by removing the riving knife, on a lot of saws, it also means that you remove the guard. And so unless you put some other kind of guarding arrangement in place, that's when you're in breach of the regulation. It's not to do with the Dado Stack, it's to do with the absence of guarding. So, we have to find other ways to guard. Now, most of the time, my Suva style guard here enables me to use a Dado Stack and still have the saw guarded. And it stops within 10 seconds, and therefore, using it under these circumstances is not in breach of any regulations whatsoever. And I've got other guards for situations when I can't use my Suva guard. The other aspect to this is that most European table saws don't have the capacity to fit a Dado set. The standard arbor on a European saw is like this. It's got a 30mm bore and it's quite short. There isn't enough room to put a stack on there. If you did put a stack on there, most saws would damage the braking system. So they keep the arbor short so you can't fit a Dado set. Now on this saw, I have a choice of two arbors. I've got a 30mm arbor like this, and I've got a 5/8 arbor, which I use when I am using a Dado set. But most saws simply aren't designed to do that. They don't have the power and they don't have the capacity. The other aspect to this is that the regulations that do exist only apply in a commercial environment. Okay? They do not apply in a home environment like this. In a home hobby workshop, or in your garage, or at the shed at the bottom of the garden, you can do anything you like. You're not covered by the regs. You can cut all your fingers off if you want to do so, and you're not going to get into trouble. Be my guest. Now, we can have a discussion about whether it's sensible that inexperienced hobby woodworkers can do dangerous things that experienced professionals aren't allowed to do. We could have that discussion if you want. But the fact is that you're not bound by the regulations if you're working in a home workshop. So you could use a Dado set unguarded and still not be breaking the law. I mean, I think it's an incredibly stupid thing to do, and I'm not advocating it, because there are good guarding alternatives, some of which I've published. Get yourself a copy of the Complete Tablesaw if you want to see how to use a table saw in a home environment safely and efficiently. Then I cover all kinds of things in there. It's a suite of 5 DVDs, and I know it's more than 10 years old now. And in fact, the DVDs aren't available. It's download only these days. But nevertheless, Workshop Essentials, the Complete Tablesaw, will tell you everything you need to know about this. It's a complete treatise. And there's a lot in there about the use of a Dado set, as well as every other aspect of setting up and using a table saw correctly. So I'm not actually optimistic that this message will get through, because I've been banging on about this for over a decade, both in print and on video. But nevertheless, this myth still pervades that Dado sets are illegal. No, they are not. So if you are lucky enough to have a table saw that will accept one, then by all means use a Dado set. Make sure it's guarded, make sure the saw will still stop within 10 seconds, and everybody will be happy. Thank you very much for watching. Until the next time, enjoy your workshop.